This conference will now be recorded.
Let's start today's session. So in the last session, we just discussed about Python data structure and its very important basics. So we talk about string and what is string, what are the rules and regulations about string. Even we discuss about list and then tuple. So today I need to discuss about set. So this is the fourth data structure. We'll talk about set now. So what is set and how it is different from other data structures? So set is unordered collection of elements. Okay. So what is set means? Set is unordered, unordered collection of unique elements. So unique elements means no duplicate. See, string is ordered and string will allow duplicate characters in one string or one statement. Repeated characters may possible, but list is also ordered collection of elements. In list also we can include duplicate values or duplicate elements. Tuple is ordered. Tuple is also possible to include like duplicate elements or duplicate values. But when it comes to set, set is unordered collection of unique elements. See, set is unordered collection of unique elements. Means no order will maintain. It's completely unordered. So don't expect any order elements in the context of set. And moreover, it don't accept any duplicate elements. It's completely unique elements only. But whenever we create set with duplicate elements, simply it will ignore that duplicate values. It will arrange with all unique values only. It won't give any error, but it will ignore the duplicate values only. So unique elements, actually set is an ordered collection of unique elements. How to create set in Python? Okay, we can create we can create a set by using flower brackets like delimiters. So these flower brackets through we can create a set. Now how to create string means you know that. So string can be created like this, single quotes or double quotes like single quotes. How to create list means you know how to create list. List can be created using this bracket, square bracket. How tuple create is possible with round brackets, and set is like this, flower brackets. We can create a set by using curly braces. Okay. Next, coming to this, set will allow different data type elements. It will allow different data type elements. The different data type elements means we can include in the set collection integers, floats, characters, strings, and so on. But all must and should be unique elements, no duplicate values. Next, set is mutable object. Mutable means we can modify the set. We can modify or change the set elements clearly. Next, if you want to create an empty set, to create an empty set, then we use set function, sir. Don't use empty curly brackets. Reason is if you create a set with empty flower brackets, it leads to what actually dictionary only. Because in Python, dictionary is also one of the data structure, and when we create an object with flower brackets, that leads to dictionary only. So in Python, dictionary also we can create by using flower brackets. So that's what empty set if you want to create, then we use set function instead of this empty curly braces. So set is unordered collection of unique elements. We can create a set by using flower brackets. Set will allow different data type elements, and set is mutable. We can modify the set. And to create an empty set, then we use set function. These are set basic rules and regulations, but make sure that it is unordered. And also unique elements means it won't allow any duplicate values. Set will not allow duplicate values. It will not allow duplicate values. So it's not possible, sir. Let's see this practical implementation, how it is set is unordered. I'm trying to create a set, sir. Here you can see s equals to, I'm just taking empty flower brackets, but it leads to what you should see here, type of s. So what type it is, I'm just expecting set only, but it's going to be dictionary. So in Python, dictionary also we can create by using flower brackets. Now the moment when I click on, when I create this s object with empty flower brackets, it leads to DACT dictionary only. Print s, print a type of s like this only. Okay, this is. But how do we create the set, sir? So set can be created with flower brackets with its elements only, like 20, 20, 30, like this. This is called set only. Look at this set. But the result you can observe here or unordered it is. The order what we created here, same order it's not going to appear. It is completely unordered collection of elements only. Unordered means order is not available in the set context. There is no order. Okay. So, and will it allow duplicate values? No. You can see this when I try to give 10, 20, again 10, 20. So it won't give any error. So instead of that, just it will give only uniqueness, unique values only. Set will not allow duplicates. Even if we give duplicate elements, simply it ignore and it will return a unique elements only. Set is unordered collection of elements. No order will be maintained. So set can be created using curly braces. And to create an empty set, don't use these empty flower brackets. It leads to dictionary I said. And if you want to create an empty set with no elements, better to use set function is there in Python. So in this, we can create empty set. So using set function, I'm just creating empty set. Empty set means set with no elements. We can include later elements also by applying some methods. So these are the rules and regulations of set, but it is unordered. Okay. And strictly remember, unordered data structures don't have any indexes. Generally, string can have the index, list can have the index, tuple also having index, but there is no index concept in set because string is ordered, list is ordered, tuple is ordered. The ordered data structures are having clearly indexes. But I'm talking about set. Set is unordered, so you cannot expect the order of the elements. So that's what, don't expect any indexes also because we don't know at what time element is going to display on which index. So we cannot expect that. So set will allow different data type elements also like this. I'm giving names and also floating point and characters, and also we can give any numbers like this. But see here, whenever we create this, then the order is not same. What we created in this same order, it's not appear in this case. So order is going to be completely changed or not? Yes. So that's what it is unordered. The unordered data structure generally don't have any indexes. So these are the rules and regulations. Now finally I need to say set is mutable. We can modify the set because it allows some methods to modify, adding the elements, removing the elements. All these things are available in the set context. Example just I'm showing. So s dot add method is there. To add one single element, we can use generally this add method, and multiple elements also we can add it. That is update method is there. We'll discuss all the methods in later sessions. Just I'm giving basic idea about each and every data structure so that overall you get idea about each and every data structure rules and regulations. Then later, after completion of operators and control flow statements, we'll discuss in detail each and every data structure later. So I'm trying to add 99 is the value, print s. So we have added successfully 99, but where it will add is the matter. Anywhere it can be added. We don't expect that because it's completely unordered. If it is set, I can say that elements will be added in the particular index or at the last of the list, that we can say that because that was order. Now this is unordered. So these are the rules and regulations about sets. So empty set creation, we can use set function. Don't use empty flower brackets. Set is mutable. That means we can modify the set easily. It will allow different data type elements also. One string, one tuple like that you can include. We can create set by using this one only. So these are the set rule, basic rules. Now coming to this, our fifth data structure, which is DICT in Python. So that means dictionary it is. So in Python, DICT represent dictionaries are here. Okay. How str represent the string, same in Python, DICT represent what? Dictionary, we can say that. Dictionary. DICT means dictionary, we can say that. So let's talk about dictionary here. What is dictionary? How we can able to create dictionary in Python. And number one, so what is dictionary? Dictionary is a collection of items. In Python, first of all, DACT represents a dictionary. So now coming to this, in dictionary means what actually? Dictionary is a collection of, okay, dictionary is a collection of collection of items. Yes, dictionary is a collection of items, and each item can be a pair of key and values. Each item can be a pair of key and value, key and value, pair of key and value. So key and value is one of the pair, and each item can have the pair key and value, both compulsory required. So in dictionary, keys will play very important roles are. So keys through we can able to access the value. You cannot use value here. So most of the cases, if you want to do any changes on the value or any modification, compulsory key is required. Key is important. Each item can be a pair of key and value. Next, how do we create dictionary in Python? We can create a dictionary by using same like set only flower brackets. So it leads to dictionary, but empty dictionary. And later we can include in this flower brackets enclosing, we can use some key and value pair items only. Then next, we cannot say dictionary is mutable or immutable, sir. The reason why dictionary contains two, that is key and values. So in dictionary, keys are immutable. In dictionary, we can say keys are immutable means we cannot change the key once we create. So changes the keys are not possible. We cannot change the keys. And next, in dictionary, values are mutable. Values are mutable means we can change, we can change the values. Easily possibility is there. Anytime we can change the values, delete the value, update the value, change the value like this. But keys are in dictionary point of view, keys are keys must be unique. Keys must be unique. No duplicate keys allowed. Even if you try to give duplicate keys, it won't accept, simply it will ignore. So keys must be unique and values need not to be unique. Okay, values need not to be unique. You can include duplicate values also. Values need not to be unique, sir. Because, for example, we are maintaining some employee details or student details. Their employee ID and student ID must be unique, but their names might be no need to be unique because all the names are same also, but their ID is different. So that's okay. Values need not to be unique only. These are the rules and regulations about dictionary. DACT means it's a dictionary. and it's a collection of items. Each item can be a pair of key and value, and we can create dictionary by using flower braces. In dictionary, keys are immutable. We cannot change the keys. That values are mutable, sir. Here, values are mutable. We can change the values at any point of time. But sir, if you want to change the values, compulsory we need to use what? Keys, sir. So compulsory how to use keys only. Without keys, we can't do anything. In dictionary, values are mutable. Mutable. We can change the values. Keys must be unique. No duplicate key. Values no need to be unique because you can use duplicate values also, no problem. So these are the rules. Values need not to be unique. Keys must be unique. Fine. Next, let's see this practical implementation. So just I'm trying to create one dictionary. This is empty dictionary for sure. So it's not a set. Okay. Type of D here. So let's run this. We got dictionary type. You just see this. D is a empty dictionary. Print D, print a type of D that is dictionary type only. But sir, whenever I try to give the values like 1, 2, 3, so what it is this dictionary? No, it's not a dictionary. It's a set only. Because in Python, whenever we include some values inside the curly braces, it leads to set only. But dictionary means it's a key and value pair. But here only values are existed. There is no key value pair items in dictionary like this. Let's try to create one colon, some name I'm giving. This is what actually one key and value. It's a pair. It's item only. Correct. Second, I'm taking. So here I'm taking like this, and third I'm taking like this. So that means it's a dictionary item, sir. One key and it's a value, two key it's a value, three key it's a value. So each and every item is a pair that is key and values. Now you can see DACT like this one. So it is a dictionary type now. Key and value pairs are there. But most important thing is we can see this. So in dictionary is example if I try to give keys duplicate key. So duplicate key cannot accept in dictionaries are here already one key is there, but one more key also we mention, but duplicate key will not. It won't give any error, just it will take any one key value pair it is considering now. You can see it will consider any one key value pairs, one and three only. So one of the key pair is going to be ignored. And value can be duplicate also. Suppose here you can see this is the value already there, and all the values also we can include duplicate values even though the values are duplicate and keys are unique, no, so that's what it's correct, no problem. So keys cannot be duplicate, key must be unique. Values can be a duplicate, no problem at all. Okay, but most important thing is in dictionary key can be of almost any type. So in dictionary key can be of any type. Key can be of any type. Any type in the sense key can be an integer, key can be a character, key can be a none, key can be a bool, key can be a string like that. But it should be satisfy the key rule. Okay, should satisfy the key rules are. What is this? I'll tell you now. Satisfy the key rule. Key rules are key rule. So next, what actually in dictionary also values also can be of any type, sir. In dictionary, values can be of any type. Values can be of any type. Values can be of any type. That means integer, string, characters like that only values. In dictionary also values can be of any type, sir. Let's see this, how it will be. Suppose here I'm trying to say key is integer, no? Yes, fine. Now I can take key is what actually uh, one string type. And here it is key is what actually float type. Is this correct or not? Yes, correct. Why not? So integer key, string key, float key, keys. Okay, fine. Now coming to this here, key I'm taking as a what we can say a tuple type I'm taking. Just a moment, I'll try to show you without getting confusion. Here you can see this is dictionary. I'm saying key place 1, 2, 3. It's a key. Values, I'm taking like 10 or something. Is this valid? Look at this. I'm including in dictionary key place, I'm including tuple only. Yes, it's a valid, sir. Look at this. It's a valid dictionary. It's a valid. Fine. Now I'm including in the key place some string I'm taking like or value or something like this. This is string. It's valid. Yes, it's a valid. No, value 10. So I'm including some character like a. It's also valid. No doubt at all. Now I'm including some
Um,
float. Tell me.
what's the difference between a single quote and double quote for the string?
Yeah, already I explained in my last session. I think you missed that. You
Okay,
can refer the video of the last session yesterday, which I was sent. String, I
okay,
simply I created string with a single quote means inside the single quote, one more single quote cannot allow. So every time you have to use slash symbol. So that's what either you can create string within single quotes or double quotes, no problem at all.
how I can check the video of yesterday? I don't know how to even I didn't get the link. I just got this Zoom link from someone. I didn't get the email. And
Sorry, I think I might not received your email in that my list actually. So whatever the how many mails are there in my list which is received from Durgasoft, I have shared complete PDF and also all 6 videos which I conducted, including last session also. Please check with Durgasoft once. Ask them to give your mail to me so that I can share it. Not a problem.
okay, I tried
Sir,
to
please
contact
show
on the.
all mail.
Yeah.
Hello? Sir,
I
please
tried to
show all
contact
mail
on.
so that we are able to check.
Please, you can anyone you can speak with. Tell me. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Please
Anyone.
show all mail.
Tell me.
Please show all mail IDs.
Mr. Jagan, you are my old batch student, so I have your mail ID. You no
Ah,
need to worry
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
because you have.
Okay, so I tried to call that number yesterday, and it was going on. I think it was not answering, or it was going on some calling issue is there. I tried to call yesterday to
Okay,
get
okay,
the link.
okay, no problem. So you can do one thing. So you can share your mail ID in chat box so that I will
Okay,
ask them and I'll ask them to call you and give the clarity. Okay, regarding that.
okay, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. So now coming to this dictionary, in this dictionary key, so I can say this is integer and string and character, everything is possible. But look at this, I'm giving tuple also is possible here. Tuple elements also possible. It's okay, fine. But you can just notice the moment when I give the list data structure in the context of key. So you can see in the key position, I am using list only. You know how to create a list clearly that list can be created by using square bracket, no? So when I click on that, it will not allow. Look at this. So this is what list actually. Why it is not going to be so this is type error, unashable type list only. Means what actually? So we cannot able to modify here in the list only because this is actually dictionary key, but it is against to key rule. As per our discussion in dictionary, key must be immutable. Immutable means we cannot able to change the values, but in the position of immutable object, we have included mutable object like list only. List is mutable, so that's what it is not possible to include. But look at this. Here I'm trying to use set also. Set is what? Mutable, but you are giving in the context of dictionary key. Key is immutable. Once you can see this unashable again. So the thing is, here I'm trying to give tuple format. So now tuple format, it's perfect. Now it's okay. Because the reason is what? According to tuple rule, tuple is immutable. That's what dictionary key also immutable. It's okay, fine. But dictionary key is immutable, but you cannot include it here mutable object like list, set like this. You cannot able to include. So that's what I clearly mention here. So dictionary key can be of any type and should satisfy the key rule only. Key rule means compulsory. It is immutable means immutable object only we have to include. Mutable object we cannot include. But the values, no. Any value you can give, that is what actually none also we can give the value. None type, it's okay, fine. Even you can give this true type, this is the boolean. So now even you can give character, this is character types or string type. And also we can include float. No restriction on the values, or you can able to give any type of value in the context of value. So these are the rules, basic rules and regulations of dictionary. So next, coming to this, range data type is possible in Python. Range function as well as data type here. Range. What is range? How to work with range? Simple it is. Range is used to generate range of values. So let's see this, how to generate range of values in this. Okay. So point number one. So what is range? How to use range? Range is used to generate range of values. Range of values. By default, range will start from 0. By default, by default, range will start with 0, with 0, with 0. If you want, you can start your range of values with any number, not a problem here. One number, two number, three number, five number, like this. And now coming to this, once we create a range of values, range is mutable. Sorry, it's my mistake. It's immutable. We cannot able to change. So once we create a range of values, we cannot change the values. Range is immutable. We cannot change the values here. We cannot change the values once we create a range of values only. So range is used to generate range of values. By default, range will start with 0, and range is immutable. We cannot change the values here. Let's see this how to create range here. Okay. So the moment when I click on, when I create range here, so it's a built-in actually. I'm trying to give range of 10 values here. R is my range object or variable, range of 10. So I'm trying to create 10 range values. If I try to print this, so and also you will just know that what type of R type it is, range type only. So once I hit this run button, so it's not going to generate range of values. By default, range function is actually it is a function, and also it is data structure because it's having collection of elements only. So range structure is prepared, range of 0 comma 10. It's a class type is what type it is, range type only. Okay, range of 0 comma 10, it's a class type range type. R equals to range of 10, print R, print type of R. Fine. So how we can convert this range 0 to 10 values? I need to print 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 10, including 10. So up to 10. So how it is? So you should convert this R value into other data structure like list type or tuple type clearly. So once I use this, now you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a, so why sir it's like it starts from 0 and ends with what actually up to 10 including 9. So range of 10 means not up including 10, up to 10 means including 9. Do you want to take the range of 10 values like 0 to 10, 11 you can include, that is up to 11 including 10, or else you can start your range from 1, so 1 to 10 values will come. And you can start your range with any number, not a problem. For example, I can start with 2, and I can start with what, 31 for example. So 2 to 30 values are printing. So this is what starting point, and this is what up to ending index. Then there is one more option is there, that is step is there. So we can so start, then stop, then step. So start value 2, stop value 31, step value I want to say 2. So each time the increment is 2 value increment, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like this only it will be increment. So depends on your step value. Each and every time it is incrementing by that step number. So r equals to range of 2 comma 31 comma 2 is there here. So this is the range values. Once we generate this range of values or sequence of values, you cannot able to change in the middle. So that is immutable. Okay, range is immutable data structure. So apart from this
So,
range dictionary, tell me.
so can you show me that range one again? You put three number here, right? Two. If I want to keep range up to 45, so do I have to put 1 comma and 45?
If you want to start with your range is only from 1, you can put this 1 comma 45. Otherwise range by default starts from 0. 45 means up to 45 including 44 excluding 45.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want starts with 1 means it will come with 1 and up to 45, then 44 including, not 45 including. Here it starts with 1, and this is starting from where you want to start. This is ending up to where you want to generate values. And step position also, it's optional. If you want you can use, otherwise not required. You want to go for step 2 means every time 1 plus 2 increment, again plus 2 increment, again plus 2 increment, the values will come like this.
Okay.
How much step you
Okay. So
want, you
here,
can decide that.
okay. So if you put range in the bracket, if in the parenthesis, if you put 20 only,
20
then
only
what
means
value you will get?
0 to 19.
Yeah. Yes. I'm not getting that on my screen if I do this one.
Why you are not getting? So the reason is, you can try to understand here, list we have to convert here. Even if I'm not
Okay.
converting list only, so it's look like range of 0, 10, 20 like this it's come. So you should convert
Okay.
this r value to a list type or any other collection type. You have to use it, list of r or set of r like this only. List is there, list I'm converting. So it's a list result. Do you want to convert that into tuple? So you can convert that
Yeah.
tuple. Tuple format is there like this. This is tuple. Round brackets are there, no? Tuple.
Okay.
Yes. So this is about range, dictionary rules, set rules. In the last session, we talk about string, list, tuple, all these things. Okay. Now coming to this, there are some other data structures are there which I mentioned in my previous session. Bytes, byte array, then frozen set. So bytes, byte array, frozen set, these also there, but these at this moment I cannot discuss about these data structures. But for sure, once I start with each and every detailed discussion of data structure and its complete functionality, at that time I will cover clearly bytes, byte array, frozen set. Why? Because these data structures we can't create directly, and we can create by using other data structures like list, set, tuple. Through only we can create these collections. So these are the different collections, not in same as what we discuss range, what we can say dictionary, set, tuple, string like this only. Okay. So let's give the clarity about each and every data structure whatever we discuss up to now. So let's see this clarity, how to create, whether it is mutable or immutable. I'll give you clear picture here. So you can see this, just so that you will get clarity at least. So here data structure I'm taking, this is data structure. And on the top, what I'm trying to say, how to create it here, how to create. Okay, is this mutable or not, we can say, and immutable. Okay, ordered and duplicate. So look at this, I'm trying to create a data structure. And how to create, first I'm talking about string. String is a data structure, no? How to create string? Single quotes we can use, or generally double quotes we can use. Is this mutable? String is no. String is what, actually immutable? Yes. Is this ordered? Yes. Duplicate values are possible? String? Yes. So I'm talking about string. How to create it? Is this mutable? No. Immutable? Yes. Ordered? Yes. It's an ordered collection of elements. Duplicate values allow? Yes. Now next I'm talking about list. How to create list in Python? Compulsory square bracket. List is mutable. Yes, we can modify list at any point of time. Immutable? No. Ordered? Yes. Obviously, list is ordered. Duplicate elements? Yes. Now coming to this tuple. How to create tuple? Round brackets. And mutable? No. Tuple is immutable? Yes. Ordered? Yes. And duplicate? Yes. Now coming to this set data structure. Set how to create in Python? Flower brackets. Or we can say set function, because if you want to create empty set, what we can do, set function we have to do. Okay, set is mutable, yes. Immutable, no. Ordered, no. It is completely unordered. Set is unordered. And duplicate elements, no. Unique values. Okay, so now you can see mutable set, immutable, no. Ordered, no. It is unordered set elements. And duplicate, no. Sorry, duplicate no elements. Yes, unique values only will be displayed in set. So now how to create dictionary in Python? This is dictionary creation. Mutable, yeah, we cannot say dictionary directly mutability or immutability. The reason is here two things are there exactly here. So let's try to give these two things here. Keys are there. So key point of view, I'm speaking, keys are mutable, no. And values are mutable, yes, I can say that. Values are, yes, mutability. And again here immutable, keys are immutable, yes. And values are immutable, no. Values are not immutable. We can change the values, no. And is this ordered? No, it is unordered. Completely key and value. Sometimes it will be changed the order also. There is no proper order. And duplicate keys, no. Duplicates and values point of view, duplicate values also possible, sir. Values duplicate possible, yes. So these are the rules and the regulations clearly which I mentioned. So whatever I discuss, okay, yeah, I will assign a small assignment, because these are only I'm explaining rules and regulations. The moment when I start with logical programming, like once I completed after operators and control flow statements, so there I can give the logical. Okay, yes, logical sessions. So if I want to give the task to you, then completely it should be logical. So this is, we are in the basic level only. Once I start logically, like for loop, while loop, okay, and nested for loop, if condition, else condition, there I can able to provide some assignment to you. So easily we can able to do it here. So this is just rules and regulations we are using here. Okay. So on data structures only I'll give, because we have not completed data structure. We are in the basic of data structures. In my coming lectures, each and every data structure we have to discuss detailed functionality. I said that only string it takes minimum 2 days. Only list it takes 1 day, like this. We have to spend a lot of time. But once you if you ready with all knowing these rules and regulations, then in upcoming sessions will be easy for you to handle these all data structures. Otherwise you'll get confused. That's what I'm giving basic clarity before that, starting that. So these are completely structure which I mentioned here, how to create each and every data structure, whether it is mutable or immutable, ordered or not ordered, duplicates allow or not. Clearly I mentioned this. So this is overview of data structures in Python. Next, we will go for, so this running notes, note not required actually. Whatever I'm writing daily in our class, that is not required to hold, because it's there everything in my PDF actually, which I sent earlier. So there all the points which I covered clearly. So you can watch that PDF. So it is clearly available whatever I discuss in the classroom only. So this notepad script is not required, just for visibility for your purpose only. I'm writing notepad code, but every program and everything in detailed statements also I have included in my PDF. You can go through them. So this is about basic things about data structures. And now coming to this operators. So it's a very simple topic, but important actually. We are going to use some operators to check the conditions, all those things, but don't underestimate. So yeah, that's what where we can access PDF means I didn't receive your mail. I think so that I can check in my mail list. Why I didn't receive your mail, we can ask to the Durga Soft admin people so that they'll give clarity. So better to you have drop your mail no, so better to drop your Gmail actually because videos and material I can't able to share onto Outlook only. So Gmail is the better option for me. So I can share the Google Drive so link so that you can easily access that. That will be yeah fine. Okay, I can uh, note this mail and add into my mail list. So along with other students. So today I'll get the confirmation from our team so that I can clearly manage the things. Okay. So I can add your mail here along with them. So now coming to this operators. So see what is operator here. It's a very simple and straightforward concept, but it's somewhat little bit tricky also. So operator means it's a symbol. So operator is a symbol which is used to perform operations. For example, plus is an operator. It's a symbol which is used to add two numbers. And minus is the operator which is used to subtract two numbers like that only. So what are the operators are there in Python, then how to work with them. So Python offer these operators like very basic operators. Every language is there, these operators, but some of the operators don't have. In this Python, it's a new. So arithmetic operators are there. And next coming to this relational operators, relational operators. And next assignment operators, assignment operators, and next logical operators, and coming to this membership operators are there, membership operators, membership, and next identity operator. Finally, bitwise operators. These are the operators available in Python. All the operators concept are useful in our upcoming programming except bitwise operators. But it doesn't mean that I will not explain the bitwise operators. For sure, I'll explain the bitwise operators, but I'm just giving clarity. All these operators are useful in our upcoming logics, but we are not going to use any bitwise operators. But anyway, I'll tell you what is bitwise operators, what are the types, and how to apply on integers, numbers, bitwise calculations. I'll do that. But look at this, these are the operators. And first we'll start with arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform simple arithmetic operations. So like what are the operators? Plus is the additions, minus is the subtraction, star is the multiplication, slash is the division, modulus, and now you can see floor divide it is. Then after this is double star, it's a power. So this is the two slashes that is called floor divide, and double star indicates power. I will let you know that. So now you can see plus operator how we can work with just simply adding for two numbers. For example, 3 plus 2, it's a 5. Then 3 minus 2, it's a 1. 3 uh, star 2, it's a 6. 3 double star 2, it's a 9. So 3 to the power of 2 actually it is. 2 star indicates it's a power operator. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 square 9 only. And the moment when I click on this 3 slash 2, that is 1.5, 3 double slash 2, this is 1. Because floor means reduce the values. If this 1.5 will be round up 1 only, so this is only integral part will return floor division. And coming to this modulus 3 modulus 2, always modulus will return what's a remainder. So division will return quotient and modulus will return remainder. So the result is look like 5, 1 and 6 and then 9 and 3 by 2 1.5, 3 double slash 2 1 only because it's going to be round up that integral part 1. So this is floor division. Floor means reduce, seal means increase, seal. So high. So 3 double slash 2 means its actual result is 1.5. It is round of 1 only. So 3 modulus 2 means what? 2 into 1, 2. Remainder is what? 1 only. This is remainder. So modulus will return remainder. Floor divide will return integral part like 1. So it will reduce the values. And next 3 slash 2 divide will return 1.5 exactly. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Double star indicates power. 3 double star to 3 to the power of 2, 9. Single star indicates 6. The result is 6 only. And this, you know that minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 3 plus 2, 5. It's a very simple and it's not a big deal to handle it. So coming to this relational operators also. Relational operators also like less than is the relational operator, greater than and less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. So these are the relational operators. So these relational operators return true or false, sir. Either true or false based on conditional. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to means this is the comparison or relational operator also we can call it as. And strictly remember single equals to means assignment operator. It's not a relational operator. Double equals to means relational operator actually. Not equal to means this one only here. So either written true or false only. For example, you can see print 3 less than 2. 3 less than 2? No, false. So 3 greater than 2. 3 greater than 2? Yes, exactly. So 3 greater than or equal to 2? Yes. Anyone? 3 greater than or equal to 2. Greater than 2 or equal to 2. Any one condition is okay. Suppose here 3 greater than 3. No, 3 greater than 3 not correct, but 3 equal to 3 correct. So that's what it written true. And at the same time, 3 less than
Okay.
or equal to 3 correct. 3 less than or equal to 3.
Okay. Okay, I
Yeah.
have a question. So when you type the number, when you type the integer in the parenthesis, it's automatically showing up the result output in the terminal, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
I have to click on the run, or I have to click on manually click it, then I get the result output. How do you get automatically in the terminal
See the
the
moment here,
output?
just a moment, I am giving. So right now in my application, in my project, lot of files are there. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. So I am going to edit this test 5 program only. Once you run this test file like this, always you are in the test 5 program only here. Again, no need to
Yeah.
go here and run. You can hit this update. Whatever you do changes in the program, the moment when I click on it, it will updated result will come. In case you are moving towards other program, again you should click on it. You are going to run test 5 only, not test 4. You want to run test 4, right click on
Mhm.
it here and test 4, run it once, and test 4 from here onwards it will available now.
Okay, so I don't have to press on the run button, or I don't have to click on run, right? It will
No,
automatically show the output in terminal.
yeah, obviously you can see that
Okay.
is you are in the one program. You are keep on doing modification in one simple program every time. No need to go run command and run directly. You can update this. After your updated result will be display here only.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
3 less than or equal to 3 means 3 less than or equal to 3. Any one condition is fine. But for example, you can say 3 less than or equal to 4. 3 equal to 4 not correct. Less than or equal to 4 not correct. So it's 3 less than or equal to 4. 3 equal to 4 not correct. 3 less than 4 correct. That's what it's written true only. So simply here all relational operators. Suppose here I'm saying 3 equal to 4 not correct. 3 equal to 3 correct. It's a comparing. Now you can see 3 not equal to 3 not correct because 3 not equal to 3 not correct, false. 3 not equal to 4, yes, correct. 3 and 4 not equal, both are not equal. So these are simple what actually relational operators what we discuss. Now coming to this assignment operators. So simple equals to, it is assignment operator. Assign the value to the variable. Less equals to means add and assign it is. Add and assign. Minus equals to subtract and assign. subtract and assign. And star equals to, that is what, multiply and assign, multiply and assign. Slash equals to divide and assign, divide and assign, divide and assign. Then floor divide equals to, that is floor divide and assign, floor divide and assign, floor divide and assign. Double star equals to, that means power and assign, power and assign. And finally modulus equals to modulus and assign, modulus and assign. These are assignment operators. So simple equals to means assignment, which we can assign the value to the variable. Look at this. When I try to give a value 10, so just a value 5, I can say print a. So we are printing this a value 5. The moment when I give a plus equals to 2, that means what? Plus equals to meaning is what? Add and assign. First it will add the value to the variable, then it will assign. So add and assign here. Now you can see a plus equals to 2 means 2 value will be added to a only. Right now a is holding in here 5. So 2 will be added to 5, that is 7. 7 will be later, it will assign to a. So that's what 7 is the result here. So this expression we can also write like this only, sir. So either if you want write a plus equals to 2, or else you can write simply a equal to a plus 2. Both are same. Both will work fine. So let's comment this one, and I can work with a equal to a plus 2 also. Both are same. That means what? Right now line number 3, a is holding 5. So 2 will be added to 5. It will become 7. Total 7 will be assigned to a. We are printing a only now, 7. So this is add and assign. First it will add, then later it will assign. Suppose next a minus equals to 2 I'm taking. Print a, meaning is what? So here, right now, this is the recent call. So recent call means right now A is holding 7. So 2 will be subtracted from 7, that is 5. 5 is added to the A only. So subtract and assign it is. At the moment, same multiply and assign. For example, A star equal to 2 means print A. Right now A is holding 10. Sorry, A is holding 5. 5 into 2, 10. 10 will be assigned to A. Result is 10. Then next a, what we can say, slash equals to 2. It will return what actually 10 by 2. That means 5.0. It's a float. So this is add and assign, multiply and assign, subtract and assign, power like this. For example, the moment when I take a value 3, so a double star equal to 2. That means what? That is 3 to the power of 2. That is 9. Or else I can say 5 or 4. 4 to the power of 2, that is 16. So double star is there. So 2 will be added to what we can say, a value. A is holding 4. So this is on a, it will apply a value 4. 4 double star 2, 4 to the power of 2, 16 only. So 16 is the result like this. So these are all arithmetic, add and assign operators, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, division and assign, even modulus and assign like this. For example, a is holding 16, no? So I'm taking a modulus equals to 2 means, so a modulus will return remainder 2 into 8, 16, remainder is 0. So these are all assignment operators what we have. So these arithmetic, relational, assignment, even logical also, it's common in every language like C, C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET also, but only the membership and identity operators somewhat different in Python. We'll also discuss this membership, identity operators, logical operators, even bitwise operators also. Tomorrow first half an hour I'll finish this, and remaining part I will go for, it's very important, control flow statements in Python. So how to work with control flow statements like if condition, if else, nested if, elif, for loop, nested for loop, while loop, break, continue, pause, all under comes into control flow statements. Your actual logical programming of Python will start from here only. But before that, you should have the basic idea about data types and operators, all these things, so it can be easily managed in these control flow statements. So that's all from my side today. So if you have any question, you can feel free to ask me now.